Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Love with Food unboxing. I subscribe to the tasting box, which is the smaller of the two boxes, but still packed with tons of goodies. This is my June box. Looks like they have a Dollar Snack Club. That's interesting. So the first item in here is Skinny Jimmy protein bars, cookies and cream flavor, and it has caffeine in it, and some MCT oils and omega-3. That's pretty cool. I haven't had that. Oh, I love these Double Dutch honey vanilla. They're cookies, but you normally put them over like coffee or tea so they get warm. There's like caramel. Oh, it's so good. This one has honey, but yeah, Stroop waffles. Super exciting. Then we have some chips from Boulder Canyon. Classic sea salt flavor, kettle chips. Then from Vermont, Smoke and Cure. This is a barbecue seasoned beef stick. I know I've had those in the past in different flavors. Those are pretty good. Had this several times in different flavors. This is Bakery on Main, granola. This is cranberry almond maple flavor. It's pretty good. Has ancient grains in it. Also have a Good to Go keto certified soft bake bar, and that is a chocolate mint one. Yum. This I have not had, I don't think. Drizzlicious cinnamon swirl bites. Those look good. So they're little rice cakes with chia and quinoa and flax, and then they're dipped in a little bit of sugar and spice and everything nice, it says. And last we have Sunmade fruity raisin snacks, tropical punch golden raisins. I've got the sour ones before. Those are actually really good, and the kids like them because they're flavored. So very cool. Good box. If you guys would like to join, I'll put my link below. I've been subscribed for years, so if you want to see other examples of past boxes, I do have a playlist I'll put in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.